I'm with Ashley. And we are in Encinitas. And we are at this cute cafe. And I don't know what it's called, but it's cute and it's like urban.
Yeah, it's really hipster.
Yeah, it's like hipster. There's like plants and greenery and like fairy lights. They have boba. And then what else? I don't know. We're here. We're hanging. Our aunts and her mom are doing like a run, as you can hear from the speaker. And yeah, should we do an OOTD? Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. My reversible banana bucket hat. This t-shirt I got from like Redbubble or something. It's like really comfortable. My grandma's jacket. Here, wait. I'm gonna move it so it's like. I'm gonna move
It's so dark.
because my brightness is down. Anyway, and then this belt that I got from Target or something, and then these pants that are my dad's, but they're too small on him. These fuzzy socks that I've had forever, and some white bands. Yes, this is my OOTD. I don't know this thing. This is my OOTD, and bless you.
Thank you.
And yeah. We're going to walk along to the beach and take some pictures. Can I get to that wall?
Yeah, I'm gonna walk.
There's this wall. It's pretty cool. You can see it on my Insta later. Maybe. I don't know. There's a lot of cool walls. There's so many cool walls.
This is cool.
Look at these walls. And then this is the wall. It's pretty cool. There's a dog.
Oh, look at
This one's so cool.
I like this one. Ooh.
This is so cool. I really like this one.
I really like this. There's more down there.
This is like a cool area. This is cute. Okay. We're gonna go take some pictures.
For the Insta?
Yeah.
Possibly.
Yeah.
Insta.
Anyway.
We're going this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
We left the area because it's kind of sus. Kind of scary. But it's okay. And there's a guy digging the trash can. But we're fine. We're fine. It's okay. So now we're gonna go back on our path of stuff. Look at their outfit. Okay, we're going to the beach now.
We had a quick stop at Better Buns.
Quick stop, quick run in. We'll go later.
It sounds so
Get more
good.
coffee. And yeah.
Oh my gosh. Honestly, they could have parked over here.
They could have.
Ooh, look at that wall.
Wait, look at this wall.
This is so pretty. You want one right here?
This wall.
So beautiful.
So pretty. And then there's one with the sunflowers.
The bees with Better
It's so
Buns.
cute. Kind of. We just saw the viewpoint. Now we're walking back to the car so that we can get our homework and then we can study.
Yeah. Cheers.